Hello guys, welcome back to HierroShield's YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve some of the Scilab's problem. The first one that we are going to solve is mod 26. So this problem on Scilab, or we can call it as Pico CTF, it's for 10 points. So we will start. So exactly you will find the wording and everything as mentioned on Pico CTF website only. So they have given values.txt, a text file. So first thing will be we will download this text file. So once the text file is downloaded, what we can see, the text file is having some of the encrypted ciphertext. So to decrypt the ciphertext, what we will do, we will go to a website known as CyberChef. Here, this website is used to usually decrypt, encrypt, or even encode, decode some of the basic encryption or encodings that we have. So, like we can see here, it's base 64 from base 64 to hex from hex and everything. So, what we will do, we will just get that flag copied here. So, this is the flag. And as we can see, right, by logically going, we can see this flag should be in a format key, it should stand for Pico CTF, right? As mentioned right here, the flag should be Pico CTF. So on the website of Pico CTF, it's mentioned the flag should be in that format. So to match that format, it's a basic common sense that this C should be P, then I is replaced with V. So there is some replacement of the alphabets. And what do we call such a replacement as? So this replacement is known as rotation. Okay, or in standard language, we can say it as Caesar cipher. So what we will do, we will just take a rotational operation, that is rot 13. And here you can see, after applying rot 13, we can easily get this flag. Okay, so we will just copy this flag and we will check whether this flag is correct or not. And we will just execute it. Yeah, 10 points. And here the problem has been submitted. So it was a very basic one. And if you guys want any other hard level problems, we are actually solving each and every problem in sequence. So if you guys want to solve any particular problem, kindly to comment the name of that problem, or you can just provide the link of it and we will surely solve it for you. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.